The Titanker Bike Lock Cable is a highly practical and durable lock that is designed to keep your bike safe from theft. The lock is made from high-quality materials that provide maximum protection against break-ins. The half-an-inch diameter of the cable is strong enough to withstand even the toughest of attempts to cut through it. The lock is also incredibly easy to use. The combination lock system allows you to set your own personal code, eliminating the need to carry a key with you. The self-coiling feature of the cable makes it easy to store and transport the lock, without it taking up too much space. The complementary mounting bracket that comes with the lock makes it easy to attach it to your bike frame. This means you can keep the lock close to your bike at all times, making it easy to secure your bike when you need to park it. In conclusion, the Titanker Bike Lock Cable is a high-quality lock that provides maximum protection against theft. With its strong cable and easy-to-use combination lock system, this lock is a great choice for anyone looking for a secure way to lock their bike. The added bonus of the complementary mounting bracket makes it an even more attractive option.